Hi everyone, it's James here at Your Next Car, bringing you your virtual tour of the 220D M Sport Convertible. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. We're then going to talk through some of the features and options. I'm going to make our way around, go ahead show you around the interior. Of course, we'll also pop the roof up, allow you to have a look at that in action. Towards the end of the video, we will of course also step back outside the car, where we'll have a look at the vehicle with the roof all the way up. So this vehicle is finished in the Alpine white. And of course, we've also added the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, which is all finished in-house. Alongside that, we've had the 18-inch alloy wheels fully refurbished in gloss black. This being a 220D does come very nicely spec'd. However, on top of that, the one previous owner did add some additions from BMW as well, and I'll be sure to point them out along the way around. So at the front of the car, you have the very nice Angel Art and Xenon headlamps. Alongside that, as part of the YNC Mperformance styling pack, we have the gloss black front splitter, gloss black kidney grills. You'll also notice it is on a private registration, and that does come included as part of the sale. So of course, always a nice bit of inclusion as a sale. Down the side of the vehicle, we have got the gloss black M2 style mirror caps, and we'll take a close-up look at those. And of course, you'll already be able to see that black Dakota leather, and we will go round in a moment and take a further closer look at that. Down the side of the car, you'll notice the satin side vinyls, Mperformance decals and satin sidebars, which go very well with that Alpine white. Moving around to the rear of the car, where we have the carbon fibre rear spoiler, which once again I think works very nicely with the Alpine white. At the rear of the car, we have the gloss black rear diffuser, and I'll open up the boot, allow you to have a look at that and just show you how much room you do actually get, considering of course it is a convertible. Now this little carry case includes the wind deflector to of course just get rid of that, a little bit of that wind turbulence that you can sometimes incur with a convertible. However, if I just remove that 1 second, you'll be able to see just how large the boot space is, considering of course it is a convertible, and we have currently got the soft top roof folded away nice and neatly all in there, and there is little storage compartments to both the left and right hand side. Closing that down, we'll head round to the other side of the car, where you can see that the vehicle bodywork is presented very nicely without any marks on this 220D soft top convertible. And of course, owing to the fact we've had these wheels fully refurbished, as I've mentioned, they are absolutely spotless, and they come all the way around with the premium Bridgestone Potenza run flat tyres. So we will now of course go inside the vehicle. So not only is this an extra special vehicle on the outside, it is indeed just as special on the inside as well. So in the rear of the 2 Series, you get an Isofix 2x2 rear seat arrangement. In the front, we get these lovely black Dakota leather seats, which come with the heated seat function, which again, on any of the 2 Series variant is a very nice rare option. So I'll go ahead and make myself comfortable inside the car, and we'll go through some of the interior options and features, and I'll also start the car up. We'll begin by popping the roof up, which is a very easy thing to do and a very quick one. So we simply push this button forward, and that will start to bring the roof up, and I can show you that in action. Thanks to the fact it is a very quick roof, you can do this at a set of traffic lights, and of course that means you can take it down at a set of traffic lights. And it is a speed activated roof, so it can be done at up to speeds up to 15 miles an hour. There you go. So that little audible noise you may have heard in the background signifies that the roof movement is now complete. Other features on the interior include the professional wide navigation and media screen. On board that, you get DAB along with a wide array of other multimedia inputs, telephone for Bluetooth audio, and of course the phone input, navigation. Heading back to the very main menu, we'll take a look at the service history of the vehicle, and which is nice and easy to do thanks to BMW putting everything on the screen for us. It's not due a service for 9,000 miles. And going up to the top, we can see it's got full BMW service history. This vehicle has only covered just over 41,000 miles, so it is a nice low mileage example. It is actually a 2015 65 reg, but as I've mentioned, does come included with that private number plate. It is the 8-speed Sports Auto, which is why we have these lovely flappy paddles on the multi-function M Sport steering wheel, cruise control, speed limiter function as well, and as I've mentioned, that lovely heated seat option as well. So we'll just take one last look at the vehicle with the roof all the way up. So should you have any questions, I will of course leave all the relevant contact information down below in the description, and you can of course find out more information regarding prices and finance options once again via down below in the description. Thank you very much for watching. We do hope to see you soon here at your next car. Thank you, take care, goodbye.